Rules to calculate oxidation number or oxidation state. Now we discuss various rules for the calculation of oxidation number of different atoms or ions. First rule: oxidation number of elements in elemental state or uncombined state or free state is 0. Oxidation number of elements in elemental state, uncombined or free state. Free state is 0. Examples like sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, etc. These are elemental state or uncombined state. Elemental state, or we can say that uncombined state. Oxidation number of sodium 0, 0, 0, 0. In the same way, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, etc. These are in free state. Free state. In this situation, oxidation number of hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine will be 0. 0. Sodium and combining with dilute sulfuric acid. Sodium sulfate, hydrogen gas. Here sodium participate in this chemical reaction in elemental state. In this situation, oxidation number of sodium will be 0. And here hydrogen present in free state molecular form, oxidation number 0. Zinc plus dilute sulfuric acid, zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. Here zinc is in elemental state, oxidation number 0, hydrogen 0. Similarly, nitrogen combining with hydrogen giving 2NH3. Here oxidation number of nitrogen 0, oxidation number of 0. Because nitrogen hydrogen present in free state molecular form. Here sodium elemental state, zinc elemental state. In this way, if an atom is present in elemental condition, uncombined condition, or in free state, then the oxidation number will be 0. Second rule: oxidation number of alkali metal is always +1 in all the compounds. Oxidation number of alkali metals group first A elements is always +1 in all the compounds. Examples: सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, सोडियम ऑक्साइड, पोटासियम ऑक्साइड, etc. Here sodium oxidation number +1, potassium oxidation number +1, sodium oxidation number +1. Here potassium oxidation number +1. In this group, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. These are the first A group elements. If these elements are in combined form, then the oxidation number will always be equal to +1. Third rule, oxidation number of alkaline earth metal is always +2 in all the compounds. Alkaline earth metal, second A group element, is always +2 in all the compounds. Second A group element means beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, etc. Examples: beryllium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium chloride, etc. In these molecules, oxidation number of beryllium +2, magnesium +2, calcium +2. And fourth rule, oxidation number of hydrogen in most of the compounds is +1. Compound is +1. Examples: H2O, NH3, CH4. In these molecules, oxidation number of hydrogen is +1. +1, here +1, hydrogen +1. But oxidation number of hydrogen is -1 in its hydride compounds. Exception: oxidation number of hydrogen is -1 in metallic hydride. Examples like sodium hydride, potassium hydride, calcium hydride, magnesium hydride, lithium aluminum hydride, etc. In these molecules, oxidation number of hydrogen is -1. -1, -1, -1, -1, here -1. Fifth rule. Oxidation number of oxygen in most of the compound is -2. Oxidation number of oxygen in most of the compound is -2. Examples like magnesium oxide, calcium oxide, potassium oxide, sodium oxide, etc. These are the normal oxides. Normal oxide. In these oxides, oxidation number of oxygen is -2, -2, -2, -2. But oxidation number of oxygen in its peroxide compounds is -1. Exceptional cases. First exception, oxidation number of oxygen in peroxide is -1. Examples like hydrogen peroxide, sodium peroxide, Na2O2, potassium peroxide, K2O2, calcium peroxide, CaO2, magnesium peroxide, MgO2, etc. Peroxide is this format. This is peroxide linkage. Peroxide linkage. If this linkage is present in any compound, then the compound is known as peroxide compound. Here, oxidation number of oxygen is -1. -1, here -1, -1, -1. हाइड्रोजन पर ऑक्साइड HOH, oxidation number of oxygen is -1, here -1. This is due to the attraction of bonding electron toward the oxygen, because oxygen is more electronegative than that of hydrogen. This shared pair of electron is more attracted toward oxygen. In the same way, here in this side, oxygen electron is more attracted toward oxygen. Hydrogen gains positive charge. Here in this side, hydrogen gains positive charge. But here this bonding electron is equally attracted on both of the oxygen. That's why there is no development of charge. Oxidation number 0, oxidation number 0. In the same way, in case of sodium peroxide, potassium peroxide, calcium peroxide, oxidation number of oxygen is -1. Oxidation number of oxygen is -1. Second exception. Oxidation number of oxygen in superoxide compounds is -1/2. Examples like superoxide format is this: oxygen, O2, 1 negative charge. This is your superoxide. Molecules like KO2, potassium superoxide, sodium superoxide, magnesium O2 whole twice, calcium O2 whole twice. This is your potassium superoxide, sodium superoxide, magnesium superoxide, calcium superoxide. In these molecules, oxidation number of oxygen is -1/2. Here -1/2. Oxygen -1/2. Oxygen -1/2. In OF2 molecule is +2. Here the structure of oxygen difluoride, oxygen fluorine, oxygen fluorine. Fluorine being more electronegative than that of oxygen, this shared pair of electron is more attracted toward fluorine. It gains partially negative charge, positive charge. Here fluorine -1, oxygen +1, totally +2 charge. In this situation, oxidation number is equal to +2. So these are the exceptional cases of oxidation number of oxygen in different compounds. Now, sixth rules. The algebraic sum of oxidation number of all the atoms in a chargeless molecule is always equal to 0. The algebraic sum of all the atoms, the algebraic sum of oxidation number of all the atoms in a chargeless neutral molecule is always 0. Examples: H2SO4 sulfuric acid, HNO3 nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, etc. No any charge, overall charge is equal to 0. That's why oxidation number of this molecule is equal to 0. Here there is no presence of any charge, that's why oxidation number is equal to 0. Oxidation number equal to 0. How will you prove that oxidation number of sulfuric acid molecule is equal to 0? Now we can write the molecular structure of sulfuric acid. Oxygen, here sulfur, oxygen, hydrogen, +1, here -2, -2, -2, +1, -2, and here in case of sulfur +1, +1, +2, here +2. Now this is the structural formula of sulfuric acid. Sulfur, oxygen, oxygen, hydrogen, hydrogen, oxygen. -2, -2, -2, +1, +1, -2, here +2, +2, +1, +1. This bond is polar and attracted toward the oxygen. This bond also polar and attracted toward oxygen. That's why oxygen gains negative charge, 2 negative charge. In the same way, here 2 negative charge, 2 negative charge, 2 negative charge. Here the overall charge in this molecule is equal to 0. Total positive charge is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 8, and total negative charge 2 to 4 to 6 to 8 minus 8, here equal to 0. In this way we can say that the oxidation number of this molecule is equal to 0. Oxidation number is equal to 0. Next, seventh rule. The algebraic sum of oxidation number of all the atoms in a charged molecules is equal to the positive or negative charge in it. Algebraic sum of oxidation number of all the atoms in a charged molecule is equal to positive or negative charge on it. Examples like carbonate ion, sulfate ion, nitrate ion, etc. Here in these ions, in these radicals, oxidation number of carbonate is equal to -2. Here oxidation number of sulfate is equal to -2. Here in case of nitrate ion, oxidation number is equal to -1. In case of cation, like here ammonium ions, one positive charge, it has one positive charge, that's why oxidation number of ammonium ion is equal to +1. If there is the magnesium ion, in this situation oxidation number of magnesium ion equal to +2. Now next method 8. Halogens show variable oxidation number. Examples chlorine shows oxidation number from -1 to +7. Oxidation number from -1 to +7. Like chlorine molecule, sodium chloride, sodium hypochlorite, NaClO2, sodium chlorite, NaClO3, sodium chlorate, NaClO4, sodium perchlorate. Oxidation number here 0. Here oxidation number -1. sodium hypochlorite, here oxidation number of chlorine is +1. In this case, sodium chlorite oxidation number +3. Here oxidation number +5. In this case, sodium perchlorate oxidation number +7. We can calculate the oxidation number of here chlorine with the help of sodium atom and oxygen atom. Fluorine shows oxidation number -1. This fluorine always shows oxidation number of -1 because it is highly electronegative element in the periodic table. Examples like HF, NAF, CaF2. In these molecules, oxidation number of fluorine is always -1. HF, NAF, CaF, F. Fluorine being more electronegative than that of hydrogen, here shear pair of electron is more attracted toward fluorine. -1, +1, -1, +1, here -1, +1, here -1 and +1. In this way, fluorine always shows -1 oxidation state, but chlorine shows variable oxidation state that ranges from -1 to +7. Other compounds like phosphorus compound, nitrogen compound, sulfur compound, sulfur shows variable oxidation state that ranges from -2 to +6. In case of nitrogen, nitrogen also shows variable oxidation state that ranges from -3 to +5.